Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a series of tiles that uses a specialized font, and you can change the color of the background, like Nina has done on her Symbaloo WebMix for the wording. So, first thing is let's find some fonts. So, I have 3 sites that I have stuck in my sticky notes. One is DaFont. The other is 1001 Free Fonts. And the other site is Cooltext. Now, the first two you can download the fonts so that you will have them in your library on your computer. But Cooltext is actually a site that you can go to and use their specialized fonts without downloading. So we're going to click on Cooltext and go to the site and see all of these font styles you can choose from. You can change the color, or you can change even the font styles. You can go right up here. It's got tons of different fonts you can use that would be in these patterns. So we're just going to choose the first one. Okay, we want our tiles to say TCEA 2016. So I just type it in and it pops up. I can enlarge it or make it smaller. Okay. I can go and I can adjust the colors and have it start with one color and graduate to another. So I like that. So we'll just save that font right there. We will click create the logo. So here is my image. So I'm just going to right click and I'm just going to save that image. All right. Now I'm going to open up. I'm going to put the background in there. So now I am going to let me shrink this down so that I can find my image. And here it is. So I am going to open up my image. Looks good. I think we will make the background yellow. So I'm opening up Keynote. Keynote, most people use as a PowerPoint for a Mac. And I like to use it as a scrapbooking background. So there is my TCEA. And I'm going to insert a shape box. And I will make the color bright yellow. I will drop it to the back. Okay, I'm going to let that set there for just a minute. I'm going to go back to and I'm going to screenshot Shift Command 4. I'm going to stretch this out over 5 tiles. I think should be plenty of room. So I'm going to screenshot that. I'm going to pull up, just double click and pull up that screenshot. I'm going to use my markup tool, the Instant Alpha. I'm going to drag and make those tiles completely open on the inside. I'm just clicking inside with my Instant Alpha right there, clicking inside that dark gray, and I'm hitting delete. I select it and then I hit delete. Now I have these tiles and they're open like a picture frame. So I've got them on my desktop. I'm going to drag them right into my Keynote. I'm going to stretch my yellow background so that it fills my whole. Let it run over a little bit. Now I'm going to center my TCEA letters. That looks pretty good right there. Now I'm preparing these 5 tiles to be the image for each tile in my web mix. So I am going to use Jing. Jing is just a screen capture program. And I am going to capture the first tile. Capture the inside of the tile. And I'm going to call that tile number 1. And then I'm going to capture my second tile. I'm going to continue to do this until I have all my tiles captured. Alright. Now, after I get all my tiles captured, then I will just follow the same steps over and over again. Alright, so I am going to go to, I'm going to save this link right here. Remember, every tile must have a link. So I'm going to link those tiles to the TCEA convention homepage. So I'm going to do add a new tile. I want to create a tile. And the address is going to be the TCEA convention site. And I will just call it, I will let it stay TCEA convention site. I'm not going to show the text because what I want to show is going to be the image that I just created. So I am going to upload an image. I'm going to choose tile number 1, upload it. I'm going to use that selection. So save it. And there's the first tile. I'm going to add the second tile. Same address. I can use a different address if I want. I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to choose the second tile, tile number 2. Upload it. Make sure I have all of the lettering. Save it. There's the second tile. And I will just continue until I got the whole wording up there that I want. And that's how you use a special font and whatever color of background that you want to create that illusion on your Symbaloo web mixes.